I'm back again and we're under the olive tree. I'm here with Jem. Hi, Jem.
Hi.
Thank you for taking the time to talk to me.
You're welcome.
And I found a most beautiful pattern in your kits, didn't I?
You did, thank you.
So what did I do? I bought it and you had to go and find the needles for me as well, because I am actually going to go and start this
Amazing.
here today.
Lovely.
And it will be videoed.
Excellent. Thank you.
So how long have you been doing under the olive tree?
Under the olive tree, probably about 8 years now.
Yeah?
Yes, yeah.
And is this the first time you've been to Chipping Sodbury?
It is, yes.
Oh, it's
yeah.
fabulous. Last year was the first year. So
Yes, it was my husband's birthday last year, the weekend it was on, so I couldn't make it last year, unfortunately. But I'm here this year. So.
I hope you have a fabulous weekend.
Thank you. Okay. Yeah, no, it should be
good. And if you sort of keep an eye out for me.
I will do.
On my back. And then, come on, give me a shout out. I'll be able to show you how I'm doing.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Well, I hope you enjoy knitting it.
I will do. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Okay, let's go and find some seats. And now I'm back at the Knitting Guild, Knitting and Crochet Guild, and they're actually going to spin my skein into a ball for me so I can start knitting this beautiful beekeeper shawl that I've just bought, that I said I was going to start knitting today. There we go. See, by the end of the day, you'll be experts.
You might want it done into more than one cake. How many yards is it? Meters?
Don't know. I think it was 100 grams.
That's quite a lot, yeah.
Yeah. That holds a lot better than my wool winder at home. I have to hold mine, it won't stay still.
Yeah.
It keeps falling over.
Can you not clamp it onto the table?
No, I can clamp it on. It's this bit that won't, it fits in, but then it just keeps falling over.
Yes.
And look, there's the first ball, ready for me to start knitting. So let's go and find somewhere where I can sit and I can start this project. Okay, see you in a bit. And here we are. And look, I found some more friends. Oh, my lovely subscribers. We've got Anne and Helen and Sue. I've got a head like a sieve, you'll have to excuse me, especially today. And I'm starting by casting on one stitch. So there we, I will cast on one stitch. No, that's not going to work. Oh, dip, 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 dip. There we go. Right, so there's my first stitch. And then the next row, this is where the fun starts. I have to knit through the front and the back of the loops, and that's row 2. So then we go. This is going to look really funny. And then we go, I'm on the wrong page, same again, through the front and back of the stitch for both stitches. It's a bit odd because I don't need all this bit at the moment. Oops. 1. And now I'm up to 4 stitches. And then On the next row, oops, slip one. I've got to see what everybody does. These different. Slip the next stitch. I don't understand that. Can anybody explain this to me? Slip on with the yarn held in front as if to purl. Doesn't the yarn come to the back to purl?
Not always, no.
All right. That's slip one WYIF.
The yarn in front.
The yarn in
Yeah.
front,
Yeah, they're going to do an I-cord, don't you imagine?
So if
Yeah, that sounds like it, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
I'll put that back. Right. So what am I doing?
Which row are you on?
I'm on row 5. Turn over.
Oh, right.
I
I
turn.
can't see it. I was going to say, where is
Yeah,
it?
at the top.
Yeah. Yeah, slip one with the yarn in front.
So with the yarn in front, so I'll just slip that stitch.
Yeah.
Probably slip it fur-wise.
Okay. Okay. And then it's
Knit one.
is it knit one
Knit
front
one,
and back?
then knit one and then knit front and back twice. And then knit
I'm glad you ladies are here.
Sometimes it takes, you know,
Okay.
you think about it sometimes.
And then what's the next row?
It's slip one with the yarn in front again.
I'm getting tangled up in the curls. Slip one with the yarn in front.
Yeah. Then knit two.
I'm going to have to knit into the back of that one because otherwise it won't hold. Knit two.
Yarn over. Purl two.
Yarn overing the wrong way.
Yeah.
Purl
Purl
two.
two. Yarn over again and then knit three.
I've only got one stitch left.
You should
Which-
have 10 stitches in total.
Which one?
This one you're doing, aren't you?
No,
Oh. Sorry.
that one.
I thought you said you're on 5.
Yeah. So I should have 8 stitches at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7.
You've got 7. No, well, you shouldn't. You've got 6 stitches on that one,
Yeah.
8 that one, 10 that one.
I haven't got 2 at the end. Oh, no, No, I'm on that one.
You're on this 4, are you?
Slip on
With the yarn in front.
twice and then knit 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I've got too many stitches.
Yeah. You have to rip out and start again.
Right, I have started it. I will carry it on when I get home. Otherwise, I think we're going to be here all day. Okay, thank you, ladies, for your help. That's going in there. And I've got my followers, some of my followers here. I don't think we could get all 1,000 of them on the stage, could we? How long have you been following for?
A long time. Quite a long time.
A long
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
So right from the beginning, or?
No, not right from the beginning, but I have gone back. So I have
Yes,
recapped, yeah.
a lot of people have done
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
yeah.
So you watched the first November knitting for
That's right,
November.
yes, yes,
Right.
yes.
Okay. How long have you been following, Anne?
Almost since you started.
Oh wow.
It just popped up, you know, the algorithm.
Yeah.
Suggestions, doesn't it? I don't think it was the very first one. Probably maybe 2 or 3 in, and then.
Oh, so you actually saw me right through the November almost.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
And you've stuck with me. I'm amazed.
Yeah, well, I often watch them while I'm knitting.
Yeah.
Is there anything I should be doing that I'm not, or is there anything that I should be doing better, or?
No, I think it's nice and casual. It's really nice. Format's good.
Yeah.
You know?
I can't do scripted because I think it sounds so stilted.
No.
So,
I think
yeah.
it's better when it's spontaneous, though, isn't it?
Thank you.
I like that.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
keeps it
lovely.
real,
It
doesn't
does.
Yeah. I couldn't be posh and real.
But also, when
It
something's,
wouldn't work.
when something's too perfect, it doesn't encourage anybody else to do it, does it?
No.
And when people, I think you're very honest about your knitting and your crochet.
Yeah.
And, you know,
Yeah, because
you
there's
say,
no
don't
point.
you,
There's no
that,
point not being.
I couldn't understand the pattern or whatever.
Yeah.
And I did this and this worked, because that helps other people. Then I think. Because it can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, particularly if you're a new knitter. I'm
Yes.
not, but I imagine if you're fairly new,
Well,
you can become,
even as an experienced knitter with a new pattern
yeah, you want
like this, I mean, if I hadn't got you ladies here, I don't think I'd have got to row 4. Never mind anything else.
Because you're
But-
learning something new all the
Yeah.
time, aren't you? To try
Yeah.
new things.
And it's okay to make a mistake because mistakes happen.
Yeah, I think that's important. You see the mistakes,
Yeah.
and then how you put them right.
Yeah.
Or whether you leave them in because it makes that piece unique.
That's true. Yeah.
Depending on what the mistake is.
Yeah.
I think if nobody else is going to spot it
That's true. If you
and
get
you
away
leave
with
it in,
yeah.
yeah, but you can then say that piece is unique
That's
because
right.
there is a deliberate error in there that makes it
Yours
unique.
then, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then if they get that close, they see the mistake, they're a little bit
That is true.
That's lovely. Ladies, thank you so much.
It's nice to meet you.
It's so nice to meet people
You
that
see people in the
that-
flash.
yeah, and to get the feedback.
Yeah.
Because you don't always get the feedback on the video when the videos go out or the live. Do you ever come on the live streams?
Sometimes, yes. If I catch them, I do. Yes.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I often just have my earphones in and
That's
I'm
right,
listening
yeah.
to it. I don't necessarily always comment or
But you don't have to.
listening
You know,
to
it's
it.
nice if you do because it that lets me know that people are engaging in what's going on. But you don't have to. Even and I've said it I think a couple of times now. Even if you're just watching, if you want to put a comment through afterwards, that's fine. Because it goes up as a video afterwards anyway. Even the 2.5 hour one. When we had the live phone calls, that was
Oh, I only caught that towards the end.
Yeah.
that was mad. We ended up being on for 2.5 hours. I was only going to be on for an hour.
Yeah.
I've never yet done one for just an hour. I don't think they all go a bit longer than that. But then that's it.
I like
it's
the longer
not.
ones, though.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. I like the longer ones.
All right.
Yeah,
I have to
do.
remember that.
Yeah.
That's it. That was his idea. A bit longer. So we'll remember that then. Okay, so I'm going to actually pack this away now and then take it home. And when it's quiet, I can sit. And what I'll probably do is end up separating the pattern and putting the paperwork out on the table so that I can quickly refer back as I'm trying to do it. And you'll be able to see my
I
progress.
should look forward to that. Yeah.
Forward to seeing it.
I saw her mess it up.
We saw the beginning.
We were there at the start.
Yes, you were there.
A
You
really
were there.
pretty colour, actually, isn't it?
It's beautiful.
Butterscotch.
I'm always caught by the colour first for the yarn, and then I have to think what I can make with it.
Yeah.
But I was asking her, and because she'd got the kits there, that can go back in there, nice and safe.
Use the pattern.
And there's the pattern. No, don't lose the pattern. And that can go in there, and that can all go in the big bag that's got my other yarn that lights up. Have you seen this yarn? It's done. I don't know whether it'll work on here, but it's if you shine a torch on it, it lights up. All those little speckles light up.
Where's that from?
But you can't do it under here. Yeah,
Fox and squirrel.
we've got little bits on.
What are you going to make with that?
Probably
Hats
another
to be seen in the dark. Towels.
hats, maybe probably a cowl or a shawl. I've got 3 of these, so it'll be a nice, yeah. So that's going to be fun. So let me pop those back in there and pop that one in there in that bag as well. And then I can carry them around quite easily. Oh, I did come prepared. I've also got another bag in there just in case.
More purchases.
Yeah.
Add to the stash. What have you been buying? We've got Snowy Cat over in the corner. But she's, yeah, that's lovely. I'll come and have a look in a minute. Okay, so I will see you all on the next video. Take care now. See you in a bit. Bye-bye.